Hi there, it's Mary Beth. I decided to make a nature mandala outside using the items that I had gathered in my yard. Kind of like what you guys have been doing, and Robin showed you how you could do an artwork or a mandala inside, so I'm going to do one in my front yard. So I gathered up all my items, and a mandala is really a design. You might remember the work that we have in our classroom where you use a pen and trace some shapes to make a mandala. And it's a circular design. So we're going to start with something in the middle, a geode that we had found somewhere else. And I'll put that right there. And then we'll work outwards and try to keep our circle going and see what design we come up with. So I think I'm going to start with some pine cones. I think I'll do sticks next. I have some dried pine needles. Just going to take a little bunch and put, let's see, put it here, the end of the pine cones. Have some stones. Some pieces of bark. I might break these to make them a little bit more similar in size. More stones. I have lots of stones. Don't forget leaves. It's already a leaf right there. And then I could keep going with more pine cones or sticks, or maybe try to find something else to add to my mandala. But this is the idea, is to create a beautiful design out of the objects you found in nature. I hope you have fun. See you later.